Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin yung SQL injection union attack, retrieving multiple values in a single column. So this lab contains a SQL injection vulnerability in the product category filter. The results from the query are returned in the application response, so you can use a union attack to retrieve data from other tables. So same with the previous lab na sinolve natin, the database contains a different table called users with columns called username and password. So to solve the lab, perform a SQL injection union attack that retrieves all usernames and passwords and use the information to log in as the administrator user. Okay? So let's load the lab. So let's go directly sa ating product category filter. So alam natin na nasa refine your search. So let's do gifts. So again, ang unang-una natin na kailangan isipin is ano ba itsura ng SQL query, no? So at this point, medyo may idea na tayo, no, kung ano ba itsura ng SQL query. And ganyan siya, no? Select star from some table where category equals gifts, no? So next na kailangan natin gawin is to determine kung ilan bang columns yung return ng ating SQL query. And we can do that using union attack, no? So you can do that, close the category and then say union select null, assuming na isa lang yung column, and don't forget to comment. So let's try this. And internal server error, so probably 2 columns. Try natin. So union select null and there you go. So meaning meron tayong 2 columns na return ng ating SQL query. So next is kailangan natin na i-determine kung ano ba yung data type per column. Okay? And we can do that by testing values, no? So let's say assume natin na yung first column ay isang integer, no? Try natin. And then yung second column i-remain natin, no, para madali natin ma-keep track kung ano nga ba yung data type ng isang column. So try natin. And there you go, gumana na integer yung unang column, no? So try natin, second column baka integer din. So try natin. And nag-internal server error. So meaning yung second column natin ay hindi integer. So try natin string just to confirm. String. Try natin ganyan. And there, no? So, nadagdag yung string dito sa ating results. And na-confirm natin na string nga talaga yung second column natin. Okay? So, ngayon, let's go back to the description ng lab. Sabi, meron tayong username and password column. And nasa table na users, no? So, sa previous video natin, na-direction na natin na union select username, password from users, no? Kasi yung both columns natin ay string. Eh dito, isang column lang yung string natin, no? So, paano natin to i-retrieve, no? So, ang isang method is pwede natin isa-isahin, no? Pwede natin sabihin na user names from users. And gagana to dapat. Let's copy and paste. Sorry, username, walang S. And there you go. So, nandito si Winner, Administrator, and Carlos, no? And then, pwede rin natin tong gawin sa password. And ayan na yung mga password. No? Ang problema natin dito is hindi natin alam kung which is which, no? Kung kanino ba yung pang kay admin, kanino yung pang kay Carlos, kanino yung pang kay Winner, no? So, ang kailangan natin gawin is to retrieve multiple values in a single column. And pwede natin yun gawin by using the double pipes, no? So, sa SQL may tinatawag na double pipes and essentially ginagawa nito is kino-concatenate or pinagdidikit niya yung strings na input mo sa kanya, no? So, if we do username and password from users, and let's try this payload. And there you go. Ito na si administrator and then ito yung password niya. Ito si winner and then ito yung password niya. No? Ang masama lang dito is kung hindi administrator yung username niya, let's say random characters, hindi mo na ngayon mapag-differentiate kung alin ba yung username dyan, alin yung password dyan. No? So, pwede mong gawin is dagdagan mo pa. And dagdagan natin ang separator na, let's say, equal sign. No? So, kailangan string yung equal sign natin. And let's copy and paste this. And there you go. Ito na. Carlos, and ito yung password niya. Administrator, ito yung password niya. Winner, and ito yung password niya. No? So, hindi na nakakalito kung alin ba yung username and alin yung password. Okay? So, let's do the logging in. So, yan yung password ni administrator. Let's go to my account. Type administrator and copy paste the password. And there you go. Nakalagin na tayo. And we have solved the lab. Okay? So, I hope na-gets niyo yung explanation sa video na to. And see you in the next video.